Hi, welcome to HR Quest. This is Sudakshana. In this video, I'm going to share some tips for the HR manager, how they can make the most of the performance reviews or performance management system in their organization. It is a crucial and a powerful tool for any HR manager to make an impact in the organization. One of the key things as an HR manager that you can add value to the PMS system is to be able to handhold your reviewing managers, your business heads, so that they conduct the performance reviews effectively. 4 key points, very simple to be kept in mind. First, communicate the expectations to the employees very clearly. As an HR person, you have to coach or egg your business heads to be so that they can communicate what they expect from the performance reviews of their employees very clearly to them. If the employees understand what is expected out of them, chances are that the exercise will be highly fruitful. The second point that you need to keep in mind is set clear expectations right at the onset. So as an HR manager, ensure that you set your expectations with your business heads right in the beginning of the PMS as to what you expect them to do and what is it that they expect of you as an HR person to help them in the performance review. The third thing that you need to keep in mind to be able to add impact to the role of an HR manager in the PMS system is to be able to encourage your business heads to put a premium on sincerity and honesty. A lot of times people do achieve their targets, and there are some employees who outperform the rest of them, but not necessarily all of them have approached their work or their performance through honesty and sincerity. As an HR person, you need to help your business heads to be able to identify such people who have been sincere and honest in their roles and ensure that they are encouraged and they're rewarded accordingly. The fourth thing or the other thing that you need to keep in mind is often managers use the performance review exercises to identify weaknesses in their team members. That's not what it is. As an HR person, handhold your business managers and heads and help them to encourage their team members. Performance reviews are not only about criticizing performance, it is also about recognizing what is good, what has happened well, and who are the people who have helped the team to achieve their goals. 4 simple things, if you keep in mind as an HR person, you're definitely going to make an impact in the PMS exercise. To know more about what is the HR role in the performance management system, how you can add more value in the PMS exercise, what kind of inputs can you provide as an HR person, do visit hrquest.com. Thank you.